Hey, this is Kim with VacMD in Boca Raton. We've had a couple questions on how to change and remove your outer bag. This outer bag is part of the filtration of the vacuum. So if you feel like you've gotten some dust and dirt in here, or if you didn't install the bag properly and dust has gotten in here, this is how you can remove it and hand wash it, vacuum it out, dump it out if it's super messy. This is Sarah, by the way. She's the shop dog. She's helping. So this is an older XL21. Your bag dock may or may not look different than this. It might be blue, it might be green, but it's the same concept. There's two parts to this. You have your bag dock that holds this bag onto your vacuum, and then you also have right here a little clip. This clip holds this bag into place down here. So this clip, I usually start by removing it, releasing your lower part of your outer bag from there, and then the next part you want to squeeze right here. No matter what color your bag dock is, you squeeze and you can remove this lower piece of your bag dock. Then you can remove the upper piece of your bag dock, and then you can pull your bag off. This bag, like I said, can be washed. You can shake it out. I would hand wash it, don't put it in the washing machine. Then when it's time to put it back on, this is very, very important. There is a little lip right here that your bag has to go behind all the way past that little lip. Then your bag dock also has to go behind that. If it's too far in front here, it's not going to stay on. You have to get your bag dock all the way past that lip as well when you're putting this bag dock back on. So we'll show you that. All the way behind that lip right there. All the way behind there. And that way it's on nice and tight and it's not going to fall off. And then you do the same thing. You just squeeze. Then to install your bag, you want to slide the cardboard. Let's see if I can get this on video. Slide your cardboard down the track till it's at the bottom. Bring it up and snap it near that bullseye. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, you can call us at 561-558 or text us. You can call or text us at 561-558-9339. Thanks, guys.